Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own GIF for Discord. First, open up your browser and go to GUI.com. If you don't already have an account, just make one. It's free. You can also log in using Facebook or Apple if that's easier. Once you're in, look for the Create button at the top. Click that, then pick the GIF option. Now you can either upload a video or image from your computer, or you can paste a link from YouTube, Vimeo, or even another GIF. If you're using a still image, you'll need to add something animated like a sticker or some text that moves to turn it into a GIF. Jai won't treat it as a GIF otherwise. Now, the fun part. Customize it however you want. Add stickers, text, filters, or even frame-by-frame adjustments to make it look more dynamic and unique. You can change the font, colors, size, and timing to match your style perfectly. You can also trim or loop videos to make your GIF exactly how you like. When you're happy with it, hit continue to upload, then click upload to Jai. Once it's uploaded, just copy the link they give you. Now, head over to Discord, paste the link into a message, and it'll show up as an animated GIF automatically. One extra tip, after you send the GIF, you can add it to your Jai favorites. Then in Discord, click the GIF icon, go to the favorites tab, and you'll always have it handy to reuse. This way, you can create a whole library of custom GIFs for your server or chats, share them anytime with friends, and even use them to add humor, reactions, or personalized content to your conversation.